Space for stage 3. What is the solar system? The solar system is a large area of orbit around the Sun. It consists of multiple planets, moons, asteroids, comets, space dust and gas. Due to the Sun being so big, it creates a gravity field that tries to pull all of these objects towards it, a bit like a giant magnet. However, they only get pulled in so far because they are constantly trying to float away, which results in a constant orbit around our Sun. A fun fact: the solar system is where our home planet, Earth, is located. It gets its name after the Sun, which was first named Sol by the ancient Romans. What is in the solar system? In our solar system, we have a Sun with 9 planets in orbit around it. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto, all in order going away from the Sun. Also, in a separate orbit around a few of these planets are moons. A fun fact: unlike Earth, all of the other planets have more than one moon in their orbit. A little bit about the planets. As far as astrologers know, Earth is the only planet in our solar system capable of sustaining life. However, by examining Mars, scientists have determined that it used to have rivers, lakes, and even an ocean. But due to its atmospheric conditions, the only water left is either underground or now frozen. As explained earlier on, many of the other planets have more than one moon. This is the case with Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Not all of the planets are solid though. Both Jupiter and Saturn are made of gas. As you probably would have seen somewhere, Saturn also has rings around it, but it isn't the only planet to do so. Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune all have rings, which are made up of ice, rocks and dust. Our moon, which is of course Earth's moon, is responsible for the majority of our tides. It circulates the Earth once every 24 hours, going through cycles or stages of visibility. The moon's surface is very rugged, as it has got many craters on it. These are formed from numerous asteroids or space junk collisions, as the moon doesn't have an atmosphere to break things down before impact. Astronauts have managed to venture into space and land on the moon. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step foot on the moon. A fun fact: the gravity on the moon isn't very strong, making it possible for us to jump or leap higher and further than we can on Earth. We would be like superheroes. The stars. From our planet, we view millions of stars at night. These stars are actually other suns burning away in the universe. The next closest star to us, other than the Sun, is Proxima Centauri. It is part of a triple star system, including Alpha Centauri A and B. Proxima Centauri is 4.3 light years away from Earth, which is the equivalent distance of driving for 48 million years at 100 km per hour in a car. That's like driving down the highway for 48 million years straight. A fun fact: due to the sheer distance between us and other stars, if a star dies, we see it burning away until the last bit of light reaches our planet, which could be days after it's dead. Our Sun. Our Sun is crucial to the survival of Earth. It provides the temperature and light that we live in. The Sun is believed to have been born over 5 billion years ago. The Sun is 93 million miles away from the Earth, and the light can reach us in just 8 minutes. How can this be? The speed of light is very fast, so that nothing can compare to its speed. In fact, it can go 300,000 kilometers per second. Many scientists pondered the question of where the center of the solar system is. Many of them believe that we were in a geocentric system, which means everything revolved around the Earth. However, more recent and accurate studies have shown that we are actually in a heliocentric system, which means everything revolves around the Sun. Here are some questions to prompt your thinking about space.